Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For today's reading, guys, we'll be picking few cards for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. So these are for your general energies, Taurus. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Taurus, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy. So let's start with these cards here, guys. We have King of Fire, Six of Fire and Seven of Water. So these cards may relate to your career situation or personal life, your relationship, guys. So you are someone who is who is really confident, who has a firm belief in what you are doing today, and you are radiating confidence, and you are someone who is skilled and talented, and people look up to you for guidance or support. Maybe they ask your suggestions when they are doing some important things, and maybe you have a team of people or your colleagues or friends working with you, and you are creating your future together. So some kind of some kind of that team spirit or co-creating abilities. You are working with people as a team and you're creating your amazing future, and things are going in a positive way, guys. And you are trying to be really flexible. Maybe for some of you, you may have your own ideas and views, and you are not flexible, you are rigid, you want to work your own way, or you want people to listen to your suggestions. So that may cause some kind of limitation or boundaries in how things are going to go. But if you are willing to be really flexible, listen to their suggestions and ideas, you are just going to expand your potential, the way things are going to go for you. And things will go in a very positive way, guys, for you all, if you are able to do that, because I see that you are already a very skilled and talented person, and you are confident of your abilities, and you have a vision. But right now there is some kind of rigidity, you have some stubbornness. So if you are willing to let that go, so maybe in your relationship you are stubborn about a few things, that may be the reason for some troubles, guys. If you are willing to let go of your stubbornness, Taurus, you are going to see things going in a very different way. Maybe when you are flexible, people may come more readily to work with you, to communicate with you, guys, Taurus. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards. Let's see what is the card specific to your relationship first. We have Messenger of Earth. So this may be what you feel about your person or what they feel about you. You are someone, you have that thoroughness, guys, devotion. Maybe whatever you do it with that thought. Maybe that may be the reason you are trying to make this relationship work. You are putting in efforts, but you are someone who goes to any extreme to try to make this person understand or try to do your best. You are not leaving any stone unturned for this love, to have that beautiful relationship with this person. So you are very you have that grit, perseverance to make things go in the right way for your relationship, guys. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have Queen of Fire. So these cards, either way it is the same meaning, guys. They can be read either way, but it will be more or less the similar meaning. So we keep these cards straight. So in your career situation, there are very positive collaborations coming in, and you are going to reach success or dreams or whatever you have for yourself. So things are going in a very positive way in your career situation, Taurus. That is the reading, guys, for you all today. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Taurus. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start with this card after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so for those who chose this card, let's see what is the card and what is the reading, guys, with that card. So we have enter the garden of delights. That is the card, guys. So in your situation, guys, for those who have chosen this card, maybe in your past you have seen lot of stressful things. Maybe people have left you and you are immensely hurt and you are not ready to move on. You are still in that sadness and sorrow and you are not enjoying what is right there in front of you. You have not healed from your situation, guys, and you just want to continue in the same way of your life. You are not trying to even change. But you need to understand that life is a flowing river. So only when we change ourselves with how our circumstances are changing, we are going to live, guys. So in order to live a peaceful life, in order to achieve that purpose of our life, you need to move on. Let yourself go from that frozen moments of the past and be ready to taste your present. So what is being offered to you in your present situation? You need not worry, because all that is coming towards you is going to change you in a very beautiful way, and you just need to ready to accept what is coming your way and let go of all the horrors of the past away from you, guys. And this garden here now is to be is to be relished with your senses, tasted, seen, heard, touched and inhaled, and also to be loved. So what is there right in front of you? You must use your senses to realize its true nature, guys. And the new day is here, a new beginning is here. So celebration is imminent and you need to let go of your past to relish what is there right in front of you, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, guys, let's see what is the card, and it is Snow White and Rose Red, Sister Love. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, you need to appreciate even the smallest things you have, guys. Whatever blessings you have, maybe blessings in the form of possessions, things or people, friends, whatever it is. So when you appreciate even the smaller things, smaller fortunes you are having today, it is simply going to multiply and you are going to enjoy greater things in life, guys. So you need to make this a habit to have that peace, happiness, and contentment in your heart today. And just like the sisters we see here in this card, guys. One sister is for darkness and one is for light. So we all have that light and dark within ourselves, and we must never reject what we do not like, the aspects of our own self. But we should understand it, and we should be able to embrace both the aspects and work in harmony, guys. So we need not make people afraid by the darkness we have in us, but we should use it as an opportunity to be generous, to be kind, and to solidify the bonds we have with the people in our life. So that is the blessing we can wish for and ask for in our situation. And also, you need to understand that you should have that clarity in your heart and be able to see beyond appearances, maybe with yourself. Just like you have the light and dark, each and every one of us have that light energy and dark energy in us, and we need to find the right way to communicate with people and have that clarity, guys, in our situation. And this card also stands for a beautiful communication with our loved ones, with our family. So maybe for some of you, if you are expecting or if you want to communicate, that is what is going to happen today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.